The CTS Street Performance engine mounts are a perfect upgrade for your factory mounts, which are known to wear over time, leading to drivetrain play and sloppiness during shifting. A void-free, non-liquid construction using 50 durameter rubber offers a significant upgrade to performance and feels over the stock mounts. The result is significant improvement in stiffness over stock that is daily driving friendly. quick breakdown on what's left. Engine's essentially in. I did leave the back cover off because we do need to do some things there, so I mean it is easy to install after. I do got some special things coming in we got to install, but for now, since the engine's in, what we need to do next is wiring harness. I got to stop by Canadian Auto Performance, get the transmission insert. I got to get the full billet one, not the ECS one with the rubber polyurethane inserts. I got to do things like steering link, harness, exhaust we can do after when I get a downpipe for it. We can mount up the transmission, no biggie. Shifter linkage we got to do on that, and yeah, that's mostly it for this for now. And then we'll get some pulleys going, start to put things back together slowly. The valve covers, I'm just waiting on some paint to come in and we can paint that. Headers seem to be fine right now. But we'll see how much space we got.